Hi, welcome to Edmodo. We have gone over this in class, but I'm sure you have extra questions, so I'm going to go over it again in this video so you can watch it whenever you need. So this will be the place, Edmodo will be the place where I house all of our stations that we will be using in my classroom. Because Edmodo does not have the option to have modules on the home page, we are going to have to navigate a little bit to find where our assignments are going to be. So first, we are going to go to folders. Once you get to folders, right now, I only have two things in there. The first thing is start here, and the second thing is week 1 introduction into world geography. Week 1 introduction into world geography is going to be where your stations will be. Start here is just any information that you will need in the future, such as being able to get to the home page, such as maybe even checking your grades. I will continue to add stuff to start here because that will be like the important items that maybe you do not know where to find them at. So let's look at week 1. So week 1 stations, there will be 4 stations, and if you would like to look at the standards, we will go over those in class, but they are at the top so that we can make sure that we are accomplishing all of those things throughout this first week. First, you will have an independent Chromebook station. There are 1 through 5 stations in this introduction to world geography. The independent station, you guys will work independently on your Chromebooks, and then we will rotate to the new station. You need to be staying on task, or you might have some homework that you have to get done at home. I will put up on the board what station we are on, since we will be doing our stations a little bit different than maybe in some of your other classes. The next station would be a collaborative workstation. You have 3 stations in this one. One station, 3 through 5, is going to take a couple of days to complete. You guys will get to that once we are at station 3. There is no need to work ahead. You will have plenty of time to finish these. We will work on them as a class. The next station would be a project-based learning station. This station is just one big project. I will be checking in with you about how the project is going. However, I have had some great projects based off of this postcard project, and it is super fun to see what you guys come up with and how creative you are throughout the process. You will have to do some research, and then you will transfer that over into a writing piece and create a postcard. And the last station will be a station for you guys to ask questions. I can reteach if you guys do not understand a concept. We are going to do some peer mentorship / mentorship with me. And every day when you come to my station, or every other day because we will be doing stations a little bit different, I have a reflection that I would like you to fill out. It just asks general questions. If you have questions about each station, maybe what can we do better to help meet your needs and stuff like that. So, like I said, I will guide you through every day in class. However, if you forget, if you get lost, if you have to finish an assignment outside of my class because we are not staying on task, this is how you get to them. You go to folders. Alright, good luck. I'm excited to see what we can do, and I'm excited for this brand new school year.